1 week, Scotland is the centre of the oceanographic universe as the Ocean Sciences meeting comes to Glasgow. Inside the Scottish Events Centre here are 6,500 marine scientists, a record attendance for this event, which has left the US for the first time. Let's go and see what all the fuss is about.
What I've really enjoyed, other than being in beautiful Scotland, has been all the discussions around ocean-based climate solutions. So there's a lot of people are here to talk about how we can do our best to mitigate emissions in this rapidly changing world.
My conference highlight has been going around all these poster sessions and just meeting all of the science celebrities that I've been referencing throughout my PhD and putting a face to the name, really. So that's been really fun to do.
An opportunity to connect with all of my peers. I had a good opportunity to connect with all of them, share my research and foster a good collaboration which can help in my future research.
I'm really loving that OSM was in Scotland this year. It's my third time in Scotland, and everybody, especially the taxi and Uber drivers, are the most pleasant and inspiring people I have ever met.
So just being able to talk to so many different scientists from so many different backgrounds and learning about their work and the potential for collaboration in interdisciplinary sciences and how we are the next generation to influence change.
Oh, it's brilliant. It's really inspiring. It's completely exhausting because it's very, very intense from morning to night, but it's really great. And so one of the things I've noticed this year is just how many early career ocean professionals we have here, which is wonderful, actually. It's a fantastic opportunity for people in the UK and Europe to come to this big, important conference.
I'm really excited for tomorrow to present my poster. The whole venue is fantastic and I really enjoy Scotland so far.
I feel that the poster session is very interactive and helpful and a bit more intense compared with the talk, but I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot from talking with colleagues over the poster sessions.
Excited to have people around, share my results and see what else we see in the effects of heat waves on ocean biology in general.
A strong decline in direct measurements in the ocean globally, mostly because of a lack of funding from the United States. And that's quite shocking also for people doing computer modeling like me and trying to validate their models. So this is something that worries me quite a bit, and other countries should step up, particularly European countries.
I'm just so impressed with how much more research and development has been done on marine carbon dioxide removal since just a few years ago. There's so many more people here, which is just an unexpected pleasure, who are sharing their research or asking questions.
So I've come here all the way to Scotland, escaped the hot weather, enjoying the cold, and it's always a big highlight to actually give our talks and our findings and also meet many people.
Like all the people, the scientists, and it's a great event, a well-organized event, and so yeah, it's so cool to be there with everyone and to discover all the project, the company.
For a Scottish-based company to have OSM come here to Glasgow, to Scotland, it's just been incredible.
But I'd say my highlight was definitely meeting Princess Anne today. That was just unreal. It was just fantastic, and she was so interested in Simba and sea ice and polar bears. She's got a real interest in polar bears and told us quite a lot of facts about polar bears that we didn't know.
Glasgow is going to have a very, very special place, I think, in the history of research on the ocean just because it changed that dynamic and just demonstrated to everybody how important it is to expand the universe, get people thinking about in new ways about the needs that the population has.